Hi guys, Patrick here from Sports Here. This is a video explainer talking you through how to feature events in the My Sports Cal. It's an update we made recently, which we're really excited about because it takes your ability to promote sport, to promote your live sport to the next level. So let me talk you through it. It's all in the My Sports Cal area, so presuming that you have already used search, you have already got a number of saved searches set and synced to the My Sports calendar, you'll have live sport streaming into the My Sports Cal area constantly. It'll always be being updated by the Sports Here team. Whenever there's a broadcast change, which happens often, a start time change or a head-to-head change, or a head-to-head update, it'll all automatically be appearing for you in your My Sports Cal area. And this is really where you would be doing most of your work. Now, to feature an event, and you can feature up to 3 events per day currently, all you need to do is press the star button, which you can see down the bottom of that fixture box near the remove from My Sports Cal text there. So press that star button and you'll see the fixture box goes green to indicate that you have featured it. And what happens is when you feature an event, that actually lines up with the website widget. So the website widget is designed to promote more heavily the featured events. Obviously, featured events are events that you think are going to drive the most traffic to your venue. And for that reason, you may want to add some kind of special associated with a featured event. So we've enabled that in the fixture boxes. Once you've pressed the feature button, press the star, you'll see you can add some text. Featured notes heading, featured notes text. So your heading might be drink special, it might be if you've selected a soccer game, for example, your heading might be soccer special, which you may apply to all soccer featured events in your sports bar. And you would add some text, which gives some detail, some insight around what that special is. So if I was a customer looking to attend, I know you're not only showing that game, but you're offering me an incentive to come and watch it with you. So you can do that in that featured notes heading and featured notes text area. Make sure you press the save button once you've added that, and it will. The system obviously will remember that, and anyone who logs in under your username will be able to see this same featured notes headings and featured note text. So ideally, if your team needs to access this information, they can very quickly. You can do 3 per day, as I mentioned, and there's also an option there, as there always has been, for you to send an email reminder to you about any sporting event that you want that's in your sports calendar. Just click on that bar there to the right and drop down, and you can see you can set an email reminder, which will be sent to the email address linked to the My Account area. So that's it. That's the way in which you add featured events in the My Sports Cal area. We recommend that you probably work 2 weeks in advance, and half an hour a week adding featured events is going to make sure that your customers are always in the loop in terms of what you're planning to feature in venue, because we know how challenging it can be. So it's really important to get that message right for them. Thanks very much for listening. There's a few other videos on the YouTube channel about how to use other features in the Sports Here engine, but featuring events is something we're really excited about and looking forward to the feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, patrick@sportshere.com.au. Thanks for listening.